Today we are going to discuss essay writing. You know that it is one of the most difficult tasks. Reason, we don't know how to write, what to write, and from where to start. But if you have planned about writing, it will be very easy. Let us discuss how to start writing and what type of steps should we take. Alright, so initially there are two things that we should do. First, point making, and second, structure. Alright, what is point making? After reading question, first of all decide that what are you going to write. Is it positive? Is it negative? Or both points? Isn't what? Are you going to favor? Are you going to go against? Or you are going to be both side? Alright, after that make structure. What is structure? That what should be written and what manner should be written. So first of all, it should be introduction, body, and then conclusion. Alright, now this is a question. Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning a foreign language at primary school rather than secondary school. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? Give reasons for your answer and include a relevant example for your own knowledge or experience. Alright, now this is a question where we have to give our opinion. So we have to decide that what side are we going. Alright, make points. So the points making, what if we are going to write positive? Alright, so this is the positive structure that we should start writing, and as per the positive point of view we should make few points. You can pause video, read that what it has been written. What if it is negative? In that case we have to give negative introduction and we should tell that what we are going to write in the passage. You can pause video and read the explanation. If we are going to write both sides, in that case we have to clarify that what we are going to write. It means that we are going to write positive and negative both points. Alright, and then plan. You can pause video, read the answer, and then move ahead. After making points, it means what? That you have written few points that you are going to favor, or if you are against, then you can going to you are writing negative points, and if it is both, then you are making points for both. Alright, after that now prepare structure. So structure means what? That what should be the frame of writing. First of all, introduction. In introduction, introductory idea plus rephrasing of question, that is called introduction. Introduction should be always in one paragraph, and the word we should write in introduction, it should be 25 to 50 words. Now what should be the frame of conclusion? Conclusion is what? It's a closing opinion. Alright, again it should have one paragraph and word 25 to 50 words. Now body plays important role, remember. So body means what? Explanation with example. Whatever we have written in introduction, that we have to justify with example, that is called body. So body can have 2 to 5 paragraphs and it should have 50 to 75 words each paragraph. Alright, now let us understand with examples. After that, now we should look at it. Look here, introduction. So the question that we have read at the beginning of the video, the introduction that I'm going to do is called both sides. I'm going to favor both sides. So this is the introduction part. In today's modern world, language plays an indispensable role in both studies and jobs along with personal growth. Thus, some professionals encourage the children nowadays to start learning to foreign language at primary school and claim that it would be too late for children to learn it in secondary school. In this essay, we will examine both the benefits and drawbacks of the issue. Look that in introduction part, the both points have been given. That was introduction in one paragraph and it is around 50 words. Alright, after that body. So this is first part of body. Body means explanation. Remember, whenever you start body, at least write few beginning words like undoubtedly, however, and such other words. You can pause video and read the explanation. Alright, now body part 2. So as I said that body should have 2 to 5 paragraphs. This is the second paragraph, again that it is however. You can pause the video and read the explanation. Alright, and then this is third paragraph. So this body has 3 paragraphs, and remember in each paragraph there are few words that's called introductory words. So undoubtedly, however, in addition, it's mean what? These are the indicators to explain. Alright, or it is an indicator of explanation. You can pause the video and read one by one all the points. After that it is conclusion. Conclusion, again in conclusion to the points, and at the end you can write few words and then you can start, and this is the conclusion of first paragraph. So you can pause the video and read one by one each points and then justify. In short, before writing, plan, and your planning should be in two parts. First, points making, that what side are you. Second, structure, frame, that's called intro, body, conclusion, and after that decide how many paragraphs you are going to write in body and then move ahead. So if you liked it, please do write something in comment, and yes, please